In this video, I will be showing you guys how to send pictures from your camera roll as actual snaps on Snapchat. Let's get started. On both iPhone and Android devices, so no matter what phone you have, you're good to go. First, launch your Snapchat app. Once you're in, you're going to find the search icon at the top. Click on that. Now, type in green screen and wait for the filter to appear. Once it does, click on it. Here, you'll see different picture options from your gallery. Select the one that you want to send. You can scroll through your entire camera roll to pick the perfect picture. If needed, resize, crop, or rotate the image to make it fit perfectly within your snap frame. You can also adjust the angle to match the snap perspective so it looks natural. Another tip is to use the pinch gesture to zoom in or out on your picture for more precise framing. Once selected, feel free to add filters, stickers, text, or even drawings. Just swipe right to explore all the available options. You can also adjust brightness, contrast, or color saturation to make the image pop. A fun trick is to use multiple stickers or overlays to make your snap more creative and personalized. If you want, you can tag friends, add location, or include hashtags before sending for more engagement. Another tip is to preview your snap before sending to make sure everything looks perfect. Experiment with different filters to give your snap a unique style that stands out. Once you're happy with how it looks, click send. You can even send the same snap to several friends at once to save time. And don't forget, snaps sent this way still disappear just like regular snaps, keeping your chats fun and temporary. Your camera roll picture will now go through as a normal snap. Just like any photo you took directly in Snapchat, you can even send it to multiple friends, add it to your story, or combine multiple snaps into a single story for a slideshow effect. Another cool trick is to save your edited snap to memories before sending, so you can reuse it later or share it again. And that's it, a way to share your favorite gallery photos as actual snaps. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Snapchat tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy snapping.